In this video, I will be showing how to design a simple yet responsive navigation menu by using CSS and Bootstrap. So without further ado, let's start the coding. As you can see on the screen that this is the type of page we will be creating in few moments. It is responsive, as you can see, that is compatible with mobile devices as well. So you can see here I have defined some basic HTML tags and also I have few links here. As you can see them by their names, this one is the style sheet for the CSS and others are Bootstrap links, which you can just copy from the official site of the Bootstrap. I have given the link in the description, so you don't need to worry about that. I'll start by giving nav. The nav tag is used for declaring the navigational section in HTML documents. Then I will give label tag to define the text, that is, in this case, heading of the page. I'll say designing menu here. Now let's define the menu items. So for that I will give UL tag and will define some list items. So you can see the list items are displayed here. Now when I move my cursor to the items, you can see that there is an underline hover effect. I don't want that for now, so let me give a style effect to all the links here. I'll say text decoration none. You may know this effect as I have covered this individual styling option in a dedicated tutorial a few sections back. So now there is no underline effect showing up. Now let's apply some styling to the page. So here in the style CSS, I will apply the stylings. The asterisk is an universal selector, so it is used to select all types of elements in an HTML page. Now let's see the browser. So you can see the nav bar ready. We are halfway yet. Now when I roll over the mouse to the items, you can see there is a default hover effect. It's not that attractive, so let's make it more attractive. I'll apply the hover effect here. Saving this. Now let's check the output. So there we go with the hover effect. Now we want to display an image here, so for that I will give section tag. This tag is used to define a section inside a document, so I'll just let it be blank. Let's go to styling page. I will give background and URL to the image. Also applying some properties to it. Now you can see it shows the image. Now the last part, making the page responsive in a way that it can also be viewed on the mobile devices. So this is the link I have placed for Font Awesome 5 intro. Now below nav, I'll say input type checkbox and the label. I'll give class to it saying check button. Now I will set up the bars icon here. Let's go to styles page and give some stylings to the class which we have defined. Now to view this page in different devices, there is a CSS rule which allows us to apply the style sheet compatible across various devices, and that rule is media query, that is @media rule. So let's apply that rule here. I'll say @media and we'll apply the stylings. Okay, so let's save this and open the browser. And there you go. So this was it. We have made a simple yet responsive menu page.